Welcome to Regex. Validate and extract text patterns. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Manually searching for patterns like emails or phone numbers in text is slow and error-prone. How do we find patterns in text? Manual pattern matching is tedious. Complex patterns are hard to code. Text validation becomes messy. Regex provides a concise language to define and match text patterns efficiently. How is Regex used in the real world? Email validation. Check email format correctness. Phone number parsing. Extract and validate phone numbers. Data sanitization. Remove unwanted characters from input. Regex powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without Regex? Validating email with multiple string checks. Look at how messy the code gets. Complex nested conditionals, hard to maintain rules. Incomplete validation, there has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Regex. Look how clean the code is now. Validate patterns in one line. Powerful text matching, cleaner than manual checks. Compare the difference. And that is why we use Regex. Let's see how to implement Regex in code. Here is the implementation. Define input text. Create sample string. Compile pattern. Create regex for digits. Create matcher. Apply pattern to text. Find match. Search for pattern. Print result. Display found match. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. Which class is used for regex in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is pattern class compiles regex patterns. What does dematch in regex? Which one is correct? The correct answer is dematches any single-digit character. What does AC match? Which one is correct? The correct answer is matches any single character. What does 0 to 9 plus match? Which one is correct? The correct answer is negates character class, plus means one or more. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.